Okay, so we have this definition of the derivative. If y equals natural log of x, then y prime is 1 over x. And just like any other function, we're going to apply the chain rule to that when we take the derivative of the natural log of some function of x. So here I have the natural log of u, where u is some function of x. And when I take the derivative of that, I get 1 over u times u prime. So this is really 1 over u times the derivative of u, and then we write it u prime over u. All right, so we're going to use this a lot. Only the very simplest case are we going to just have 1 over x, but we have to use this 1 over u times u prime, or it turns out to be u prime over u. All right, let's look at some examples of that. So if I have y equals the natural log of 5x, then y prime equals 1 over 5x times the derivative of 5x is 5. So I get 5 over 5x, and that reduces to 1 over x. So we got u prime over u, where the original u is 5x. Likewise, I can have the natural log of x squared plus 1. So the derivative of that is u prime. The derivative of this is 2x over the original u, x squared plus 1. If I have a more complicated function, here you can see that I have a product up here. I have 2x cubed minus 1, the square root of that in the denominator. So I'm going to use the properties of logarithms first. So I'm going to expand this thing to look like this. So I have natural log of x plus 2 times the natural log of x squared plus 1 minus, I'm dividing by this denominator, 1/2 times the natural log of 2x cubed minus 1. And now I can take each part of this sum and differentiate it. So I have the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. I have the coefficient of 2. Now I have u prime over u. So the derivative of this is 2x over the original u. Coefficient of 1/2. U prime is 6x squared, and the original u is 2x cubed minus 1. And then if I reduce those, or at least simplify them, I have 2 times 2 gives me that 4, and I have the 1/2 times the 6 over 2 gives me the 3 over 2. I'm sorry, it just gives me, let's see, I think there's a typo here. So this would be there, 3. Okay, nope, it's just a 3, and then it's not 2 times x cubed minus 1, it's just 2x cubed minus 1. So that's correct as it is written there. Alright, so really we're just reducing the 6 and the 2, and the 2x cubed minus 1 is not factorable there.